two strings, a haystack and a needle. Find the first index where the needle appears inside the haystack. Take the word bananas and the needle ANAS. It appears starting at index 3, so we return 3. Here's the input laid out. The haystack is bananas, indices 0 through 6. The needle is ANAS, 4 letters. We return an index, not the matching text. If the needle never appears anywhere, we return -1. For this pair, the needle lines up starting at index 3. That's the answer we're trying to reach. A match is a stretch of the haystack equal to the needle. The needle's length is fixed at 4. So we're really hunting for a window of exactly 4 letters somewhere in the haystack that matches the needle. Where can that window start? Not too late. If fewer than 4 letters remain, the needle can't fit. Picture a strip with the needle printed on it. Lay it on the haystack, then slide it one step at a time. At each position, compare letter by letter. The window counts only if every letter matches. Watch out. A matching first letter is not a match. A later letter can still break it. On any mismatch, drop this start and slide by 1. The first full match is the earliest by definition. Line the needle up at index 0. Its first letter is A, the haystack has B, wrong already, slide. Now index 1. First letter matches, second matches, third matches. 3 in a row. The fourth letter is S, but the haystack has N there. One miss kills the whole start. Slide. Index 2. The needle wants A, the haystack has N, wrong on the first letter, slide again. Index 3. First letter matches, second matches, third matches. Fourth letter, both all 4 agree. Return 3. Index 3 was also the last spot the needle fits. One step further and it runs off the end. Why is this the first occurrence? We test starts left to right and return on the first full match. Nothing earlier was skipped. The cost. Each start can compare up to 4 letters, so the work grows with the haystack length times the needle length. We only track a couple of indices, nothing extra. The space stays constant. Let's write it. Grab both lengths up front. Loop the start over every position where the needle still fits, 0 up to the length difference. Walk an offset forward while the characters keep matching, 1 letter at a time. If the offset reached the needle's length, every letter matched. Return this start. Fall out of the loop with nothing matched, and we return -1. Brute force, but for strings this small it's the right call. Slide, compare, return the first full match.